Everybody loves to spend time on their hobbies. It doesn't matter if it is a love of shopping, diving, going to the movies, traveling, hiking, tricking and parkour. Chess, writing, making TikToks, doing karate and swinging swords, or one of the thousands of other leisure activities. Many people would probably rather spend a larger part of their lives doing what they love more often. Well, the good news is now you can.
It is also important to remember that each and every job that a person does with honor and dignity is valuable to society. Life is about the expansion of knowledge, your knowledge, and the collective wisdom of humanity. This is an evolution requiring tenacity and grit, a pursuit worthy of serious consideration. When we work together, humankind builds a better society, making it safer and providing opportunities for more young people each year. We have an opportunity to redefine the meaning of work in this era and effect positive change on a global scale. Technology has democratized knowledge. This is the paradigm we encourage the world to embrace and forms the philosophical foundation of digital samurai. We encourage the celebration of new definitions of work, success, and valor, as digital samurai supports international workers and creators that exemplify these qualities in new ways. All races, genders, cultures, every individual, all interconnected. All of us, one. Now, isn't that something worth celebrating? Happy Labor Day.